Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Filling words like yani, aslan, tayyeb, mashy, all these are called filling words. What are these filling words and what is the meaning of the filling word itself? We will know all this in today's episode, so let's Our first word here is tayyeb, or we can say tab, which is the short version. Egyptians say tayyeb and it has two meanings when it comes as a filling word. So when you say, for example, هنروح النهاردة, will we go today to the mall, for example, هنروح النهاردة المول, I will say tayyeb. Tayyib here, it means I agree or okay. We can also have tayyib in a question. So when I say tayyib, هنروح فين النهاردة? So I added tayyib at the beginning of the question, followed by a comma. Here, in this case, tayyib will be so. It means so. So the question is, so, where should we go today? طيب هنروح فين النهاردة? So طيب in this case it has two meanings. So in a question or okay when it comes as an answer. Should we go to the mall? Okay. هنروح المول النهاردة؟ طيب. The second word here which is very common in spoken Egyptian is mashy. I am sure you heard mashy in a way or another when you are speaking with an Egyptian. Mashy. Egyptians say mashy, which means okay or I agree. And this meaning when you say mashy as an answer, only mashy. So, are you with me in this situation? Mashy. I agree. Okay, so mashy here it means I agree. Another meaning for mashy involves the verb itself. So when I say, for example, I am walking right now, I am walking right now, it means أنا ماشي. So I am in the process of walking. I am doing the action. I am walking. From the verb يمشي, to walk. So أنا ماشي, it means I am walking. Another meaning is I am gonna leave. So أنا ماشي when you are packing your stuff and putting your things inside the bag and you are getting ready to travel. For example, you say أنا ماشي دلوقتي. I am leaving right now. So here ماشي has different meanings depending on the context. If somebody asks and the Egyptian is saying ماشي, it means agree. But if I am saying أنا ماشي with أنا, with I, the verb, it means either I am walking right now or I am leaving right now. So أنا ماشي, it could be I'm walking or I am leaving. Another important word that you hear from Egyptians many times during the conversation. So Egyptians will say, okay, and I went to this place, أنا رحت المكان ده, and يعني I was not feeling alright, so I didn't like this place. So يعني here it means sort of or I am not sure. Okay, so this is يعني, I am not sure. So I am not sure about my feeling. So most of the time, or it's actually not very certain that I am feeling this, but sort of or يعني I am feeling like this and this. So it gives you like a hint of uncertainty. يعني also it has another meaning. It means I mean something, okay? From it the question يعني ايه, what does it mean? يعني ايه, what does it mean? So when you ask somebody, did you enjoy this trip? You say, what do you mean enjoy this trip? I say يعني, I mean, يعني did you like it? Did you find it really very amusing or something like this? I say, okay, this was a really great trip. I liked it so much. So يعني here, it means meaning. I mean this. So depending also on the situation, you can have يعني as sort of, or I am not certain, يعني, and usually Egyptians do this, يعني, okay? Or يعني here, it means I mean. So يعني, يعني I want to do this and this. I mean I want to do this and this. Or the question يعني ايه? What does it mean? When you say أنا أصلا ما كنتش موافق. Originally, I didn't agree. Aslan here is also a very important feeling word that Egyptians say in the middle of the speech. So it means originally. Originally. So أنا أصلا, originally, I didn't agree about this. So aslan, aslan. From asl. Asl as a word, it means origin. And when we add this an at the end, aslan, it means originally. So originally, I didn't know about this. أنا ما كنتش أعرف. Or I didn't agree about this. أنا ما كنتش موافق. Okay, so aslan here, it means originally. begad? Seriously? begad here, it means seriously, or as a question, or when you say it, begad, sure. So you ask your friend a question, and your friend does not believe what you are saying. So he will say, or she will say, begad, seriously? Gad, it means seriousness, okay, to be serious. Al-jad, okay, al-jad from modern standard Arabic. So when you say begad, be here is a preposition, it means with. So begad, it means with seriousness. Begad, seriously or with seriousness, okay? So this is the meaning of begad. And the Egyptians usually say begad when they don't believe something, or they hear a story that is really difficult to believe, and they say begad, seriously? And the Egyptians love to say it a lot, so you will hear it in many situations if you are watching YouTube scenes from movies or series. So tayyeb, yani, mashy, aslan, begad. You know now 5 important feeling words that Egyptians say during the conversation all the time. And I'm sure after this episode, if you are talking with your Egyptian friend or partner, or also if you are watching movies or series, you will spot at least one of these words in the first 5 or 10 minutes. I am sure they are very common. They are mega common. If you like this episode, hit a like and also subscribe to Linguamid. If you have any question, comment to in the comment section and ask me what you want. Don't forget to download your Egyptian 101 guide right now. It's very important, gives you the foundation about spoken Egyptian. It also has the ebook, downloadable ebook, and also links to the video lectures. Stay tuned and see you in a future one.